This our house, right? Huh? I'm right here by the back door. I'm right here. God damn. That shit is going all the way to the top of the garage. The neighbor's gonna have to get up out of there. Yeah, the tree on fire, all that. Damn. I hope our shit don't get burnt up. We got clothes and shoes and shit up in there. Damn. It was a crackhead, huh? Damn, look at this. You can feel the heat way back here. Oh yeah, they got that. Yeah, hell yeah. That shit would have fallen far over there, and then it would have been all up here. Yeah, this is going on YouTube. Yeah, one of them crackheads did this shit right here. Yeah, man. Yeah, they nipped that shit in the bud real quick. Yeah, that's some good shit right there. Yeah, this shit going on YouTube, Facebook, whatever. Damn, there's always some shit in the ghetto. Damn. This is going on YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, they all up over here.